Pacunio. Back to him. Hands it off. Pax left wide open. No one to bother him. Short. They track down their own miss. Unable to save it. Using his speed and quickness, Santiago. Pull-up jumper. Good defense by Plaza. Able to stop that play. Sean back at the middle to Pax. Kicks it out to Balvin. Balvin, front iron. Run and gun offense for AWC. All board. Santiago gets his own miss. Puts it back. (28 to 36 or 34). Scramble for the loose ball. They recover it for Metropolitan Lodge. Using the board, De La Cruz muscling his way as he forces the issue. 36 to 28. Back and forth for both teams. Well, AWC needs to pressure Metropolitan Lodge. They cannot play catch up here if they want to make a comeback. 3 seconds violation, or it's a timeout. It's a timeout for AWC.
Ralph. Subbing 24.
Back to the action, baseline throw in for AWC. Let's see if they can convert here as Metropolitan Lodge unable to convert for Ramirez, but they get their own miss. Looking for his option, finds Matias from the corner. Matias, it bounces off, battle for the loose ball. It will remain with AWC. He misses short, and finally Metropolitan Lodge will control that rebound. Pax, quick passing, Hassani, short step jumper. 38 to 28, Metropolitan Lodge up by 10. Santiago will try to strategize here, leading the play. Matias to Domingo. Domingo. They go down at the post. Ramirez, one-on-one against De La Cruz. He has height advantage, but Hassani is there for the safety defense. 3-on-1 situation. Hassani blocked by Santiago. Despite the height advantage, but Pax able to turn things around. 40 to 28, 12-point advantage. Ortiz finds Matias. Matias with the runner, and Hassani all alone in the interior. It will remain with AWC. Domingo will let it fly. Way off the mark. Ramirez tries to save it. However, he steps on the line. It will go with Metropolitan Lodge. Go here first. Go here at the middle. Pax. will try to facilitate. Cross court to Plaza. Plaza to De La Cruz. And De La Cruz with a shooter's bounce as he makes it 42-28. AWC needs to find some answers here if they want to make a comeback. Sudden change of pace for Santiago, but he was stopped right there. Short for Ortiz. Controlling the board is Plaza. Pax will try to man the point guard duties. Plaza takes it closer. Substitution, Buna and Abarca. 2 number 1s in the ball game. 11, okay, 11 with the masking tape. Baseline throw in. Plaza. Crossover. Almost losing the handle. Back to Hassani. From the left side. From beyond the arc. Pass. However, Abarca cleaning up the boards. And they have the momentum right here. 44-28. AWC struggling to make a basket. Still offline for Domingo. Well, they need to find their rhythm here. AWC, they need to know that they're a strong team. No? They were able to play toe-to-toe against the Giants of San Diego. They need to wake up here. On the left side, Plaza. Hassani at the post. Bullying his way. Fade away. Ramirez. With under 12 minutes here in the second half, they are down by a huge margin. Santiago, season opening, Santiago with the J. And Santiago cuts down the lead to 14. Substitution. Not yet, wait for the referee's call.
Is the black line 4 points?
What do you mean?
Outside NBA?
No, there's no 4 points. That's only for PBA. There's no 4 points in the FIBA. Turns and spins for Abarca. Nothing going on for him. Plaza. He sees daylight, drops it off to Abarca. And Bench Abarca banking it off the glass. 46-30. Metropolitan Lodge starting to take the grave here, 46-30. Domingo. Ramirez able to get that loose ball. Matias, back iron. Abarca. They are smelling blood here like a shark. Hassani on the run. Hassani, second serving for Hassani. As they continue the punishment here, 48-30. 18-point lead by the Metropolitan Lodge. AWC, can they still make a run? So the play will continue as Hassani. I hope he's okay. Are you okay, Mr. Hassani? Still good. Continue. The play continues here. $18-point advantage. Directing traffic. Stolen away like a candy from a baby. Santiago all the way. And he will miss that point blank shot. Pax, they have the numbers with the Euro. However, Ramirez picked from behind. Balvin with the fadeaway. Matias secures the rebound. Domingo will try his luck from rainbow distance. Balvin to Pax. Pax pedals back against Domingo, one-on-one, showing us his handles. Foul will be called against Domingo. That's his first personal foul for Domingo. Substitution. From the top of the key, Hassani making it a 20-point game, 50-30. AWC only scoring 5 points. It has been a 20-5 run here. Ortiz at the post against Balbin. Spins and turns. All board. Down the floor is Abarca. However, he was still able to bridge the gap to Hassani, and Hassani using his left hand, mounting a 52-30 lead. AWC, it has been a long day for them. Back rim, Abarca, 3-on-2 situation. Abarca, stolen away. Quick hands by Ramirez. Ramirez, drop pass to Ortiz, and Ortiz stops the bleeding. 52-32. And timeout will be called by Metropolitan Lodge.
Parang jack. Para sa iPhone. Kasi I need a USB port eh.
Back to the action. Our next game would be GGL versus Team Hawk. In our main event Sunday, this is week number 5 of your Interlodge basketball, powered by So-Called Ballers. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. Catch this game on YouTube, So-Called Ballers 21. As if you have just tuned in, Metropolitan Lodge up by 20, 52-32. AWC trying to close the gap, but Balbin against 3 defenders. He was hacked down low. Foul on Matias. First personal foul on Matias. Baseline throw-in, or is it going to be a free throw? Or, yeah, it's a free throw. And it will go to the other side, AWC. Against 2 defenders, being hounded from the backcourt by Pax. Well, that is a good job by Pax, not giving Santiago some comfort zone, taking away that speed and quickness. However, Santiago against 2 defenders. Look at that move. Put that in the highlight reel. That reminded me of a Kobe Bryant shot. Oh, same number, 24, huh? But Pax will try to answer back here. Corner. Sean Bacuño. No shooter's bounce for him. But again, Hassani cleaning up the boards. He has been lording over the paint here. Well, they need to find some answers against Hassani, who has just been picking all the offensive boards, doing all the damage. 22-point lead. Metropolitan Lodge relying on the huge shoulders of Hassani. One-on-one, Balvin. Ramirez short. Balvin on the run. Transition offense. De La Cruz back to Asani, and Asani 6 points almost for him, but he gets his own miss. Short. De La Cruz. This is a team effort from Metropolitan Lodge, just swarming over the paint. Domingo. They move that ball around Matias. Santiago, too strong. Takes it closer with the runner. Draw pass to Ortiz, and Ortiz will be fouled by Hazani. Wait for the referees to move. On the free throw line is Ortiz. You are watching AWC and Metropolitan Lodge in this third game. He makes his first free throw substitution. Plaza in the ball game, giving a well-deserved rest for Hassani. And he converts those free throws for Ortiz. Pax to Pacunio. Balvin kicks it out to De La Cruz. De La Cruz pulls the trigger. Domingo slowing things down, waiting for his teammates. Matias to Ortiz. Ortiz can't get it to fall. Pacunio. Another alley-oop play for Balvin. This time he misses. They're just playing around with 3 minutes left here in the second half. AWC losing fire in this matchup. Well, obviously, they need their backcourt tagaw. No? They're playing without their point guard, tagaw. And finally, able to drill it for Domingo. 39-56. Strategizing. Pacunio using the clock on their side. De La Cruz, no one to bother him. Santiago challenging the defense, goes all the way, taking it strong to the hole. Pax, drop pass, baseball to Santiago, one-on-one, and gets the M1 play.
Buzzer.
Buna in the ballgame. With the last 2 minutes left here. 56-43. Too strong. Now this is safe to say that Metropolitan Lodge will put this in their bag. Outlet. Santiago will finish. 1 minute and 19. And Metropolitan Lodge will use their last timeout. We'll be back after this timeout.
Ulitin natin.
Back to the action. Metropolitan Lodge up by 11, 56 to 45. Pressure defense. Hassani's back, who has been their leading scorer, making a living in the interior. But Santiago not giving up on this game. 56 to 47. Time is not on their side though. Metropolitan Lodge will try to clock this game. Buna. Hassani at the middle, attacking the lane. And Plaza putting the nail in the coffin right there. Corner 3, Domingo with the shooter's bounce, making it a 58 to 50 game. And Domingo trying to make a Reggie Miller 6 points in 6 seconds. And that's the end of the ballgame. Metropolitan Lodge convincingly winning against AWC. This has been your third game. And our player of the game would be Hassani. And stay tuned for our next game.